Ace Fluency is an innovative app which offers you a complete solution to become fluent in English language. All you need to do is click on the Practice Now button and your call will be connected to another co-learner within a few seconds. Without any hesitation, do spoken English practice with other co-learners as your actual name and phone number will not be visible to others. When you do spoken practice consistently, you are certain to improve your speaking skills. During the call, a topic will be displayed on the screen for you to discuss. After the call, you will get a rating from other co-learner on key language parameters. You may check your usage and rating records in the Performance Analytics tab. For learning English language concepts, we provide various well-designed classes depending on learners' requirement. We aim to provide high-quality grammar and vocabulary classes to enhance your conceptual knowledge of English language. Classes are designed to cater needs of different level of users. The app also provides you a translator feature to translate sentences or words from English to your mother tongue or vice versa. What more? You will also get the latest English news and radio channel to enhance your reading and listening skills. With this app, you can also get benefits from learning resources like daily doses of vocabulary, phrases, verbs, idioms, and slang words. You can make your favorite word list by clicking on the heart button. You can select your plan from Choose Your Learning Plans window as per your requirement. You may pick a 3-month subscription plan that will give you access to all grammar and vocabulary classes, including an unlimited calling plan. You may also buy individual plans of grammar, vocabulary, or calling plans as per your requirements. In order to be fluent in any language, consistent efforts are required. So, start your learning and practice today to become a fluent speaker of English language in a short span of time. Happy learning.